Hi guys, it's Danny here. Today we're going to be doing two different eyeshadow looks with the Glade Palette. This is a product I'm currently testing for release, so this will be an eyeshadow primer. We just want to put this on as a base for our eyeshadow looks today. You can also use concealer if you have that, or another eyeshadow primer. This just helps cover any sort of veins and give a nice sort of flat, even base. So here we have our beautiful inside of our palette. Hopefully you guys love this one as much as I do. It does feature two duochromes. Of course, I'm using my SailorDolly Cosmetics brush, and we are going to jump straight into look one. So we are going to start off with the shade Dig. I did make the little screen so you can pause and see exactly what shades we used at which point. So this is the shade Dig here, used in the crease and just blending that upwards. We're then going to go into the shade Leech Seed, which is the really deep brown. I'm going to put this on the outer corner, as you can see here, and also on the inner corner. So I'm leaving that middle space of my eyelid free and just going to blend that out lightly using that same brush and going back between the shades Dig and Leech Seed, just to blend that out a little bit more. You can also deepen it up as well. And once again, just really focusing the darkest part on the inside and the outer of the eye. So I'm just using my finger here to apply the shimmer shade called Leaf Storm. This is just going in the center of my eyelid, and this is really going to give the halo eye effect. I'm just going back and forth with my brush and making sure not to sort of cross over in that real center part of my eye. I'm also going to dip into Solar Beam, which is one of the duochromes in this palette, and I'm just using that as a topper on top of the previous shimmer I've just put down in the center of my eye. This gives it some really nice sparkle and again a very different shift. And then just using the same brush once again, just to sort of blend the edges together. You want to avoid sort of going over the middle of your eye where it's the brightest. And again, using those shades Dig and Leech Seed to darken and smoke that out. So final touches for this one, just adding some eyeliner. Nothing too fancy. This looks definitely a trust the process because it can look quite messy until you sort of tidy it up. This palette is inspired by the Pokémon Leafeon, and all of the shade names are moves that Leafeon can learn. Just fun little FYI for you while I clean up this eyeshadow look with some eye makeup remover. I have not done my base or anything yet either, guys, just in case of fallout. I'm then touching more of that gold shimmer into my brow bone just to give that a bit of a lift, and we're done with look one. Now we are just going into look two. So we're going to first dip in with the shade Leaf Blade, which is a beautiful light green. We're just going to blend that out into the outer corner of our eyes, from the crease and above pretty much. I'm then going in with the shade Synthesis, which is a shimmer shade. It's very light green and very pretty. I'm then also going in with Grass Knot, which is another deeper sort of shimmer shade. Again, using my fingers to apply those two, just because the shimmers do look so pretty on the eyes when applied with your finger. I'm then going back in with Leaf Blade and just sort of blending that out and blending them together. This shade I'm putting only on the outer corner is Giga Drain. So I'm just focusing that on the outer corner V of my eye. I've also decided at last minute to put a Synthesis pop in the inner corner and then going over the top of those two shimmers on the lid with a little dab of Magical Leaf, which is one of the duochrome shades in the palette. So you'll see here I'm just once again going back over with the brush and sort of blending those all into each other. I did clean the brush in between the two eye looks, just FYI. Definitely recommend doing that so that it doesn't turn out too muddy. Finishing this look off with some eyeliner. If you had some green eyeliner, that would be kind of fun for this look, for the bottom lashes as well, or the bottom waterline. And I'm just going to go in and tidy all of that up, and we have finished our two eye looks. So here are the completed eye looks so far without any of the base being done. And now speed run the base. So now we are just going to finish off the look using the SailorDolly Cosmetics Blush Crush in Rosie Posie, and we're going to top that off with the lip gloss called Delivery Service, which is Ghibli inspired. And I'm just going to go quickly do some mascara and show you the completed look. And here we have it, guys, the finished 2 eye looks using the Glade palette. I hope you guys have fun with this video, and definitely try mix and match some of the shades up. They're super fun to work with, and I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. Also, big fan of this lip combo. Hope you guys like it as well. Apologies if I look a bit tired. I have had surgery this week, so I'm probably not looking my best right now. But at least the eyeshadow and the look is on point. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon.